Muñecas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy bag for the month of April. I hope it's not so late. Like, I feel like I get it after everybody else. I don't know what it is. Let me know whether or not you guys feel that you get it later than everyone else, because I for sure do. So I haven't even opened it. I received it 2 days ago and I didn't get a chance to record it until today. So let's see what we got. Oh, so far I like the bag. It is butterflies. It looks like mine is dirty though. It looks a little bit dirty, but whatever. It's a beautiful bag. I like the color. I like the texture. It goes with my background. I swear I didn't even do it intentionally, but it goes perfectly with my background. You know what I just noticed too? That it's a little bit bigger than the standard size that they always send, which I always feel like it's not big enough for me in particular. I don't know why, but I tend to put so much crap on my little makeup bags inside my purse that I can never use the Ipsy ones for that. But let's get right into the product. First item. I'm so dramatic. What is this? Is the Girl Power by Real Her. It's a moisturizing lipstick and it looks like so. I don't know what it is, but every time I do my nails, I have to open something and I mess them up. What do you guys think of that color? I am kind of living for it. It is by, what is that brand? The cheapest one at the drugstore, the one that's like $1. I forget the name, but I'll include it in the description box in case you guys are interested. Okay, it's a tiny baby Girl Power lipstick. I like the packaging, the black and white, very simple, very minimalistic. And then Real Her, I am confused. I don't know what the name of the brand is, if it's Girl Power or Real Her. Not quite sure, but it's in the tone mauve. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the color because I love mauve lipsticks, as you can see. So that is what it looks like. And let me do a little swatch. It feels super fragile, like I'm gonna break it because it's very skinny, but it actually has a lot of product, but it's so skinny that I feel like I'm gonna break it. But that is what it looks like on the tube. Come on, camera, find my lipstick. There you have it. That's the lipstick. I have a new camera, you guys, and it's a very super fancy camera, but I don't know how to use it. I don't know why I bought it because I really don't know how to use it. I'm learning how to play with it, so bear with me. So far I'm liking this because I can carry it on my bag and it's easy for me to use at work. What do we have next? Okay, it's open. It's a detoxifying hair mask by Dior. I am so bad with names, but that is what it looks like. That's the packaging. It looks interesting and it says refines and conditions all hair types. Looks very interesting and very healthy for the hair. I'm curious though because I've never seen a hair product that has charcoal on it. And that is a very nice size actually. Look at that. It's almost the size of my face. Not sure if this is the real size or it's just a trial size. Very curious about this product. I cannot wait to try it. It says amino A complex replenishes moisture, boosts protein, and visibly improves stress fibers for strong, healthy hair. Don't know what that means, but it looks like it's a nice product to try out. So it's like a hair mask. So I will keep you guys updated. I'll probably try it and put it on one of my social medias while I'm trying it out, and I'll let you guys know how it works for me. Next we have Steve Laurent blush. Okay, it's a blush. Packaging is cute, and this is the packaging of the actual blush. Very interesting packaging. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. And then here we have the actual blush. It looks like it's a mauve color, so I think I'm gonna like it. Look at that, it's almost the same color as the lipstick, so I think they worked that pretty nicely. I feel like I want to try it on. Oh my god, it's like very pigmented. Oh my god, I think I just ruined my makeup. It's very, very pigmented, so I would not apply it with this brush going forward because this brush kind of like it's too stiff. Alright, so that is what the blush looks like. I think I applied a little bit too much, but it's super, super pigmented. So I think you guys are gonna like it. I don't think I have a blush that is this color, so that is cute. Oh, look at what I got. It is a super famous Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation, and of course it's gonna be in a trial size. What color did they send me? 10. Oh, that's not bad. That might be a good match. I heard so many things about this foundation, so I was very, like, I was curious, but not curious enough for me to buy it. Like, I heard good reviews, bad reviews, but then some of the good reviews, to be honest, they were sponsored, so I don't know about that. The color looks like it's gonna match me. The reason why I thought I was gonna like it in a way is because they keep saying that it's nice for every day, that it's lightweight, and those are my type of foundations. But then I got scared because some people, I think it was Jacqueline Lights that made a video, and in her video she said that it dried her out. It might be too orange for me. That is it blended over there. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe later on. I don't know. I will try it, and if for sure, if it's my color, then I will let you guys know whether or not it's good. But definitely happy that they sent it to me because I wanted to try it so bad. Alright, and let's see. I think we are down to the final product. I have the H2O Beauty. This is a hydrating treatment. It's clinically proven to hydrate immediately and soften skin. So I'm happy that Ipsy sent me this because I like trying moisturizers and things like that, like having mini size versions. I keep them in my vanity, and then sometimes when I want to switch things up because your skin can like get too used to a specific product, I try the ones that they send me, or I also give them to David or my daughter so that they can try them out. So I'm always happy whenever they send me moisturizers or facial products. And lastly, we have the Social Butterfly, which is their spring little flyer, and it says fact: life is too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So that is very true. So that is cute. So I'm very happy about my Ipsy bag for the month of April. I have been on the fence about Ipsy. Like, I don't know, I kind of want to unsubscribe, but then I'm like, I get a nice bag and then I like it. Like, I like the products that they send me every single month, but I would have liked them more if they would be full sizes, or if they would include more than one full size in their bag. Thinking about subscribing to Luxy Charm, I think is the name of the subscription box, because I see that they send like actual full sizes of things and like real makeup palettes, like eyeshadow palettes and things like that. So I'm not quite sure, but for now I am happy with my April Ipsy bag, and I will continue to be subscribed, at least for like the next month or two. But let me know what you think. Did you like the products that I received this month? Are you interested in joining? If you're interested, I have the link down in the description box. I don't get paid for you guys using it, but it does give me points that I can get like extra little makeup things from there as well. So that was it. Let me know what you think. Leave me your comments in the description box. Do you enjoy watching these videos? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.